Oh, you know when your 2-year-old spills the entire cup of chocolate milk right onto the carpet, and you only have enough time to blot it up before you're out the door. And its stain lives on for months as a reminder to chaperone snack time. Then, the puppy pees. Dirty shoes get worn inside, paint misses the paper. Girls' night, enough said. Before you know it, you need to do a full-on deep clean to save your sanity. That's why we have my newest best friend, the Hoover Smartwash. This is the only carpet washer that makes deep cleaning literally as easy as vacuuming. Yep, there's no trigger to squeeze, no measuring to do, and really nothing to think about. Just push the carpet washer forward and it knows to wash your carpets with the perfect amount of water in solution. Pull it back and it picks it up with super strong suction. See? Amazing result without using a heavy, dirty rental. And since it has a dry-only mode to pick up any extra water, these carpets will be dry in no time. Seriously, I might even carpet wash more often. Ah, yes, a good old mystery stain. You know what? It doesn't even matter because these Flex Force Power brushes really get deep into the carpet for a super effective clean. Oh, and those well-traveled spots? Got it. See that? It's almost like new. That's the power of Smartwash.
For the hard surfaces in your home, you need a one-step cleaning device that delivers a better clean. The BISSELL Crosswave lets you vacuum and wash your floors at the same time, delivering a deeper, everyday clean in less time. Crosswave washes your floors using a revolutionary cleaning solution, leaving your floors smelling fresh and looking clean. Crosswave's dual-action multi-surface brush roll uses microfiber to mop floors, while nylon bristles scrub and pick up debris. The Smart Clean fingertip controls lets you dispense just the right amount of formula for whichever floor you're cleaning. The two-tank technology lets you consistently clean with fresh solution while recovering dirty water and debris from your floors. Once finished, just pour out the dirty tank contents for quick cleanup. A convenient way to clean the product is using the Easy Clean storage tray, which allows you to clean the brush roll, window, and air path in a few simple steps. And for easy maintenance, the Crosswave includes an easy remove brush window and a removable brush roll for convenient cleaning. Ditch the mop and bucket. Vacuum and wash your hard floors at the same time with Crosswave from BISSELL.
Here's how to get a professional level clean with the power of Rug Doctor's revolutionary new Pro Deep Cleaner. Before you begin using the Pro Deep Cleaner, be sure to vacuum thoroughly so you can get the best results from your cleaning. Press down to release the clean water tank and fill it with hot tap water to the fill line. Then, measure the Rug Doctor cleaning solution in the pour cap and add 2 capfuls to your clean hot water. Tighten the cap firmly into place for best results. Secure the clean water tank on the Pro Deep Cleaner and it will click into place. Now plug the machine in. Release the handle, press the carpet toggle, and push the Pro Deep Cleaner forward and pull back while squeezing the soap and scrub button. For best results, go over each lane backward and forward twice while squeezing the soap and scrub button. Then release the soap and scrub button and go over each lane backward and forward 2 more times. The Pro Deep Cleaner will tell you when it needs more cleaning solution. Remove both water tanks, empty the dirty water tank, and refill the clean water tank with hot water and solution. Then replace the tanks and keep cleaning until you're done. The upholstery attachment is ideal for removing stains and odors from soft surfaces in your home and automobile. Secure the head on the hose, then attach the hose to the front of the machine. Then just press the toggle to tool mode. Squeeze the trigger to spray Rug Doctor cleaning solution, press the attachment head firmly on the fabric, and make multiple passes until the stain is gone. Release the trigger as you near the edge of the surface to avoid overspraying. That's how you clean with the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Cleaner, new from the Rug Doctor Institute of Clean, for a cleaner tomorrow.